Welcome to our eVidya classes. Students, previous classes we have discussed about solids and liquids. Okay, so we have studied what is solid and what is liquid also. So now today we are going to study about what is liquid and gases. Okay, I hope all of you might have seen different kinds of liquid also, and about liquid and gases we all are familiar with in our day to day life. So but exactly what is liquid and what is gas we don't know, so that today we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's start, students. Pour a cup of water on the floor. Okay, on the floor it will spread, but it will not cover the entire floor. It will definitely not cover the entire room. Okay, just take a glass of water, you just pour in your veranda or in your room or in your any floor which is vacant. Okay, so you might have seen the water will be spread everywhere, but it will not spread the whole room or it will not spread the whole floor. Okay, but if the gas tube is not switched off properly, the gas from the pipe or cylinder will quickly spread all over the room. Okay, so let's think, student. If you might have seen different kinds of fogs. Okay, it will come out when you will fire it to wood, the fog will be come out. But when you will fire the wood, when you will connect fire to wood, the fog, okay, we will say that fog will be spread all over. That fog is called, we can say, gas. Okay, but when you spread at the same time a glass of water on the floor, it will not cover whole room. But if at the same time if you will fire the two wood, after sometimes the fog that will be spread all over the whole room, otherwise it will go to other high up also. You will observe the gas will be spread all over. Agarbatti, you know, students, when we will use agarbatti, when we will put agarbatti in front of a god, that agarbatti will be spread, the smell will be spread large area. Okay, I hope you might have experienced that things. Okay, so but same time you think students, water cannot spread all over, but at the same time a small agarbatti, the gas will be spread over everywhere. That means, students, gas will be spread everywhere. In that you can see this image, students. Please switch me off properly and always double check this. You know, everywhere, so home, kitchen room, LPG gas are there. So LPG gas will be used for the cooking. Okay, so sometimes what happens, that gas, if it will not close, if we will not switch off the regulator, the gas will be spread everywhere. Okay, if you will kitchen room, if gas is leakage, if you are sitting in our dining hall, it will be, the gas will be, we can recognize, we can through smell. Okay, the gas will be smelly. Okay, so what happen? So it will happen because of the gas will be spread everywhere. But if you put water, if you pour water in a room, who is sitting in dining room, they cannot recognize whether you are pouring some water in room or not. Okay, so this is the difference between liquid and gas. Gas will be spread everywhere in our environment, but liquid in that place, liquid not cover. It will depends upon the quantity. Okay, so we will discuss, students. Liquid will always flow downwards and sideways. You know that if you pour water anywhere, it will go down. Okay, downward. When rain is coming, rain or water is coming from the sky to our ground floor. Okay, from your floor to down. So that is called water always flow from high to downwards or sideways. Gas will flow in every directions. Okay, gas always flow in every directions, upward, downward and sideways too. That is why we say that gas spreads, it fills all the available space. Okay, you just example I gave in your temple, you might have seen, when you will put agarbatti in front of a god, that a gas smell will be spread everywhere. But at the same time, if you pour water in one place, that water cannot spread many area. Okay, but at the same time gas will be spread everywhere and you can recognize through smelling. Clear, students? So most gases cannot be seen but at times can be smelt. Okay, gas you cannot seen but you can smell. Agarbatti you when you put in front of God, sometimes you cannot recognize agarbatti, but that smell you can recognize. So light an incense stick or burn a piece of paper, smoke with that is called fog or smoke will mix with air and quickly spread all over the across the room. Okay, that means when you will fire the agarbatti or any other kind of wood, when the smoke if it is agarbatti student, that is the smoke. What? SMOK, smoke. Clear student? That smoke will be go everywhere. Okay, spread everywhere. So I will show you that example student. See, if it is your incense stick, you know that smell will go, that is incense stick. Okay, that is called smoke. SMOK, smoke. Clear? That is called smoke will be spread everywhere it will be spread. But at the same time, if we put water, that is the water, it will not go, it will spread this much place, but the smoke will spread everywhere that place. Okay, so this is the difference. It is the liquid, like you add liquid, and this is the called gas. So that is spreading is called gas, that is called smoke. Clear students? So air is nothing but a mixture of pure gases, mainly oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and water vapor surrounding the earth. It is invisible, cannot seen. Because the gases are pure, some other gases together with smoke, ash, dust and etc. make it impure. We will call this air pollution. Okay, gas is nothing but student, it may be oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Gas means student oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor, we can say also water vapor etc. Clear? So this is called our gas. Okay, liquid I know yesterday I told you water, milk, oil, fruit juice, vinegar etc. are the liquid particles. Clear students? So like liquid air too has no shape, it takes the shape of the container it is filled in. Okay, like this liquid air also has no shape, it has no shape, it has no shape exactly. Okay, when you will pour somewhere, it will container, it will take shape, it will make shape. Clear? It takes shape of the container only. Means if you when you will pour gas in a football or any other area, balloons, when you will blow the balloon, the air which that is called gas which will go into a balloon, so that balloon will becomes shallow. So that is called it takes occupies space when you will pour in a container. Clear? So matter can change from one place to another state. Okay, so matter can change one state to another change. How? See student, mommy takes out an ice tray and packet of frozen corn from the freezer, a packet of pizza base from the fridge and 2 tomato from the crisper. She also takes out a soda bottle. She pours the soda into a glasses, but before she could add some sherbet into it, her phone rang. Okay, so that means he is telling student, I will tell you properly, matter can change one state to another state. For example student, matter can change one state to another. Matter can change one state to another. Clear students? So what is that I will tell you. Means if you will ice cube you will bring in from ice chamber, it becomes, if you keep somewhere, that is the ice cube, student. Okay, if you put, after sometimes you will observe, after 5 minutes, it becomes water. Okay, it becomes water, it becomes melted. Okay, means it becomes water, means it is the solid part. When it was in fridge, it is the solid. When you will keep for some time in outside, it becomes water. Okay, so that means, student, I written the heading, matter can change one state to another state. Means in fridge it was in solid state, but when I will keep outside for some times, it becomes liquid part, that is water, that is called a liquid part. That means, understood? So matter can be changed one part to another state, one state to another state. Before it was solid, now it is liquid. Now one is interesting fact, students. So student, now that liquid or water, if I will heat, okay, that water I will take a glass jar or bowl, that it is water, you think, what? Water. Okay, now I will heat it. What? Heat it through gas. Okay, through gas I will heat it. So now that water, what will happen? It is vapor. V-O-P-O-U-R. V-A-P-O-U-R. Vapor. Means water is a liquid part. So it becomes vapor. Now you see, first when brought the ice cube from fridge, it becomes solid. When you will keep sometimes for outside, it becomes water, that is called liquid part. Now that water, when I will heat, it becomes vapor. So that liquid to it becomes vapor, means one state to another state it is changes. Okay, students. So we can say first solid, ice cube to it is a solid part. Okay, then it is water, that is called liquid part, L-U-Q-I-D, liquid part. Then it becomes water to vapor, V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor, that is called gas part. Okay, that vapor is a gas. You might have seen when your mom cooking food or something, you might have seen the vapor will be go up. Okay, so that is called water becomes, if you heat, it becomes vapor. So it is one state to another state, how it is changes. These are called matter. What? A matter can change one state to another state. Okay, so once again we will study about our what book is given, more information about it. Solid and liquid can become the soft and hard, yes or no? Yes. Hot or cold? Yes. Firm or limp? But under the normal condition, the state will be remain as it is. Under the normal condition, means if you are drinking water, you are keeping in your bedroom or in your school bags, so at the time your water, it does not change the shape, it does not change one state to another state. Why? Because it is in one state, it is a normal temperature, you are keeping in a normal temperature, not in very cold, not in very hot. So when normal temperature will come, the matter never ever change its state. Clear? Icy solid will melt when left outside to become water liquid. That water will be evaporated due to the sun's or natural heat, become the water vapor and gas. Water vapor gas will cool or form water liquid when it comes in contact with a cool surface. Okay, whatever I explained these things, it is given here. Okay, and you might have seen, student, you just keep some water in outside in front of your home. After 2 days, 3 days, you just look at every day. So the level of the water day to day wise, it will decreases, means it will be reduces. Why? The sunlight will be take up this water. How the sunlight is taking water, do you know, from this river and oceans, and after taking water as a vapor, it will keep in up, that is called our cloud. When it becomes too heavy, too cold, it will come as a result of rain water. So in this matter you will study about higher class students. Today only we just go through the what is solid, liquid, and how it is the matter changes one state to another state. Okay, water exists in all three states, solid, liquid, and gases. Just now this is the solid, liquid, and gases. But matter is what? Matter is always water. That matter always water. Okay. So clear student, water exists in three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. That is matter is called, matter name is water. Clear students? What happens when you light a candle? The wax near the flame starts melting and the begins to flow down. Okay, you might have come across everybody's, when you will fire a candles, the wax will be melt towards the, fall down towards the down. Clear? So you know it is a candle. So what he is telling, you just listen. I am very hot, don't ever try to touch me. Candle is made of wax. Candle is made of wax, students. When you will put, when you will contact with fire, it will be started melting. Wax is not a solid. Wax is a solid in its natural state. A candle just kept outside will not melt unless, okay, if you will fire, not fire, then unless it is not melt. A candle is a, wax is a solid material. Okay. Ice cream is frozen milk. Milk is a liquid in its natural state. That's why if ice cream, if is left outside, it will melt, become a milk again, but it will never ever evaporate, because it is, milk is a natural. Okay, it will never ever evaporate unless you will not heat it. Okay, also milk will never become ice cream on its own, even when it becomes very cold in winter. It will freeze, but it will not become the ice cream. Okay, so Rani will think I evaporate to form a milky cloud. So this is the student, what about solid, liquid, gas. Okay, when we will keep water in fridge, it becomes solid. That if you will keep that solid in outside ice cube, it becomes liquid. That liquid when you will heat, it becomes evaporate. So this is the how a change of a state happens. Okay, so matter can change one state to another state. You can take example of candles, you can take examples of ice cream also. When you will ask ice cream from shopkeeper, if you will not eaten before time, then it will be melt. So before it was solid, now it becomes liquid. So solid to liquid, it is the changes of state. From solid to liquid, it is called matter can change one state to another state. So thank you students, I hope all of you clear. For student, go through the video, I will send the workbook, go through this workbook, practice 2-3 times. Okay, so thank you students, take care.